All right, well, here we are again. Finally got some good weather out here in Buffalo, New York. We're about 65 degrees and no rain, so the ground is dry enough to dig in. I got my first target out of the ground here. It's just going to be a crappy, probably zinc memorial penny. But I'm finally getting my hands dirty again this year, so I am happy. Let's see what else we can find. And there we go. Our first 29 to 31 gets us back on the board with a quarter. This is one of the fancy Delaware horses. One of the state quarters. That is a $19.99. On to the next. Alright, well, this one was coming up around a 25 to 27, so I was expecting a dime. But instead, I think I got a prison shiv. This is all what it looks like black electrical tape wrapped around what would have been a sharp, jagged piece of metal. So unsure exactly what it is, but certainly has no business just being in a children's park. Another solid 19, bringing us a great condition 1968 penny. Now we had a strong 19. I assumed she was going to be a penny, but we have this random piece of extra thick folded foil. We're close to Little Ramada, so probably something from somebody's barbecue waste. Well, this one is giving me like a 25 to 27, a little bit jumpy. Again, expected a dime. Instead, we got an old, that might be like a Pepsi cap. I see the blue writing on the side there. But just some junk. 31.32. Right about there. A little hard to pinpoint. Should be directly under the coil. Solid 30 signal there on the pinpoint. 3 arrows down. I'm hoping for quarter. Solid signal tells me I'm probably right. So we'll cut a little C-plug. Pop this bad boy out. Clump off the shovel. Pinpointer. Definitely in the hole, a little bit down. So we will do a decent scoop out of the bottom. So you almost flick. Oh, what is that? Large, chunky, something metal. So I don't think I'm going to get my quarter out of this, but can I even get all that out? It looks like, well, you guys can see, a very long piece of something. Extremely deep in there, but it looks like some type of aluminum trim. I won't bother you with that. I'll dig it out with the big shovel. Finally, a solid 25.26 gives us a dime. Nothing too old though. That looks like 2000 something. So she's new, but another coin for the pile.